Got a pair of Patagonia Baggies I've had for about 10 years now. There's absolutely no stretch in the waistband. You can see this is a brand new pair. Still has the stretch. This is totally stretched out. We're gonna repair this. We're gonna have to cut out all 3 of these seams right here. You want a 1-inch elastic band. I got this at Walmart. This is like $2. It's the same width. It's a razor blade. Gonna get in here, cut all this out. Just get in here, kind of pull this apart as best as you can. Be careful. I'm gonna start cutting away at some of these seams. And then rip it. It's gonna take a little while. Cut a little bit, rip it. As you're working down, just be careful. These are the pockets. So you gotta be careful. Just, watch out. Okay, it's at this point you can decide. I think I'm gonna get rid of this lining. I don't really like it. So I'm gonna cut the rest of it out. You can see you get the drawstring here. That's gonna stay in there. You can hear this crunch. That's what it sounds like. This is old. This is 10 years old. So I'm gonna cut all this out. If you want to keep the lining, what you could do is probably just leave this, the old elastic in, and then just put the new elastic on top. Kind of wedge it in there. That'd probably be easier, but like I said, I'm going to get rid of this lining anyway, so why not? Alright, I got the elastic out. I'm going to finish cutting out the lining. What a mess. Alright, at this point you're probably thinking, what have I done? I've destroyed these shorts. Well, we'll see. You've got the old elastic. Stretch this out as far as you can. Take a measurement. It should equal out to the old one stretched out as far as you can. So, something like that. Alright, I've got the 2 ends. I'm just gonna connect them real fast. Alright, now that you got this, what I find helpful is to mark 1/4 of the way through, all the way around, so this is halfway through. And then now that we have that, line these up. And this doesn't have to be perfect, but pretty good. This is going to help us stay on track as we move down. I'm going to try to get the seam here to be on the side. I think that's where it was when I took these apart. I'm just going to do our best to pin this up. I'm going to take the drawstring out. I'm going to fool with this later. I think it's going to be a lot easier to shove it in afterwards. Check it out. Pretty good, right? I hit them with the, I left the string out. I'm gonna feed it through. So you'll see that in a second. All right, we got this in there. Way to go, man. Pretty happy with it. I know Patagonia says they'll fix or repair most of their stuff. My local store said they wouldn't, since this is essentially underwear. I don't blame them. They did say I might be able to send it in. They have a repair center, I think, in Nevada that might fix it, but it was gonna be 14 weeks. And that's pretty long. This took me about 2 hours. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Good luck.